Hi, I'm Jackie, and today I'm going to offer a Systeme.io review and also tell you about how you can get your entire business moved for free. So, are you thinking about moving your business onto another online platform? And you're kind of worried because you don't really know how you're going to do it, how much is it going to cost, and just the amount of work that it can involve. So let me take you through a software where you can have it done all for free. And this is a software called Systeme. And it's a software I've been using now for about 2.5 years. Before I discovered Systeme, I was actually using the ClickFunnels platform to run my online fitness and nutrition business. And it was getting too, at the time, it was just getting too expensive. So I started to look at other software platforms and I Googled sort of this versus that, and so I discovered it that way really. I just looked through different packages. I was looking at pricing, obviously that was very important. And I discovered Systeme. And one of the things that really does entice people to move over to Systeme is that the support that you get in what they call migration from one platform to the other. So for myself, I'd built a WordPress website. So I was running ClickFunnels for my sales funnels, etc., and lead page and ActiveCampaign for my email marketing. And at that time, I found Systeme, and with Systeme, what I did initially was because they offer such a good free package with no time limit. I decided to go on the free package first and just start to try it out myself. And within a few days, I felt really sort of quite comfortable with it and decided to upgrade. And I upgraded onto a yearly plan. So what Systeme offer is, if you upgrade, and I'll show you some pricing. If you come over to the pricing page, if you go on to the annual plan, the startup or the webinar, and if you go onto a monthly plan for unlimited, which is $97 a month, then you'll be able to migrate for free. And so what this means is, as soon as you sign up, you can then make that request, and then Systeme will get into contact with you and arrange for the migration. And it's usually, very quick, and they've got a lot of people there carrying this out, and it's a brilliant service because it's completely free. So as long as you're setting up on an annual plan, or you're going to go onto the unlimited monthly plan, then you're going to get that done for free. So I don't think you can ask for much more. And it's taken all that technical headache away from you. You can just get on with your business and start to run it thereafter. So I'm just going to come back because this just gives you a bit more information. So I'm on their website, and so what they're saying is they'll move your entire business to Systeme.io for free. So they'll move all your products, pages, funnels, and your customers. So that's your email marketing system. And all you need to do is sign up for unlimited or any of our annual plans. So just as I've explained before. And I'm going to go just through a few things here. How to get your business moved to Systeme.io for free. So it just gives you a basic overview. So sign up for their plan, for a particular plan that is available for you to be able to migrate. Tell us what to migrate, and we'll give you an estimate of the time it will take. And then we'll migrate your business. And you can just sit back and relax. And then if you don't know much about Systeme, this is just a little bit of an overview, and this is actually quite a nice website because it's quite clear, isn't it? And this is how Systeme works. It's a very easy package to learn. And once they've migrated over for you, you could then start to take on, sign up for some tutorials. they offer a lot of tutorials themselves. But so here we've got sales funnels that you can create. You can create email marketing, so you can set up all your email marketing, website builder, which is great because you get all the templates, the same as sales funnels. You've also got your affiliate program management, business automation, and evergreen webinars are available on the webinar plan. So it's one up from the startup plan. And online courses, now you can create courses galore. It's amazing, and it's very easy to create. You can add your own videos in. You can link to PDF downloads. You can even create a kind of a question answer, like a quiz at the end, just to test their knowledge. And blogging as well. So for those of you that potentially on other platforms such as WordPress, that can be brought over. And also for selling products as well, which is something that it's not an area that I'm working in. I'm more working in the service sort of area. But yes, you can definitely sell products. And then there's a few testimonials on the page. Very positive. And that's pretty much it. So if you do want to find the page, if you just go onto the normal Systeme website, you can come down to the bottom and you can just tap on to or link out to the free migration. And that's about it. So if you have found this useful, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. And as we go, I'm going to be putting on a number of videos over the next few weeks with regard to getting you started, and even if you have been migrated, you may well have some questions, so feel free to add any comments and questions at the bottom of this video. And perhaps if there's any questions about a video that you would like me to put together with regard to Systeme, then please let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.